Hi guys, so this particular video is going to be for multiplication of decimals. How do we multiply decimals? Multiplication decimals. Okay, so how do we multiply with decimals? Well, first off, you do regular multiplication. So that means the whole way through, going from right to left with every single one of them going up. And if you have more than one level of it, you do more than one level of it. We'll do that down here. Second thing that you do after you finish the regular multiplication is count how many numbers are after the decimal in the problem. So second thing you do, first thing you do is the regular multiplication. Second thing you do is count how many numbers are after the decimal in the problem. The third thing you do is place the decimal so there are that many numbers behind it in the answer. Okay, so let's do some examples. Let's look at this. If I have 2.16, so that's 2 and 1600ths times 4. Okay, starting with an easy one. I go 4 times 6, which is 24. 4 times 1, 4 plus 2, 6. 4 times 2, 8. And then I count 1, 2. So I go 1, 2, right there. If I have 13 and 1/10 times 15. Okay. Now I have two numbers on the bottom that I'm dealing with. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. Put the 5 there, carry the 1. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 1, 6. Placeholder for the 0. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 1 is 1. Add it all together. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. And then nothing plus 1 is 1. I have 1 after the decimal place, so I put 1 after the decimal place. Now, sometimes you end up with something that's like this. Let's go with 25 times 500ths. Okay? I know our thing is a little skewed. That's okay, we'll be fine. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2, 12. So I have 125. I have 2 numbers after the decimal point. So I put 2 numbers after the decimal point, which gives me 1 25 hundredths as my answer. Now all of these only had one number that had a decimal point. You do the exact same thing if both of your numbers have a decimal point. So if I have 1.63, 1 63 hundredths times 3 5 tenths. Let's try that one. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 6 is 30 plus 1, 31. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 3, 8. Placeholder. 3 times 3 is 9. Sorry. 3 times 6 is 18. 8 goes there, 1 goes up here. 3 times 1 is, sorry, 3 plus 1 is 4. So now we need to add these together. 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 9 is 10. 8 plus 8 is 16. Plus 1, 17. 1 plus 4 is 5. And now come up here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So I end up with 5 705 thousandths. Okay? Is this making sense to you? So it doesn't matter if I have zeros in front of it. All that matters is how many numbers I have after the decimal point. It doesn't matter if I have decimals on both the top and the bottom. All that matters is the total number of numbers after the decimal point. You count all of them, both top and bottom, to get it to work. Okay? Talk to you later, guys. Bye.